Okay. Yes, please
Yes,
continue.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
And ma'am, you are the host now, so you can share your screen. You can open a video and you can teach to the student
Okay. Okay,
normally.
sure.
Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
if there
Sure.
is any issue, I am sitting here. Do not worry. You can tell me.
Okay,
Okay.
sure, sir. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you, sir.
Continue, both of you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Hello, Shasha.
Yes,
Sorry for the inconvenience, dear, because I don't know what happened.
it's
Uh,
okay.
yeah, the Zoom actually stopped working, and when I'm just, I just put my laptop shut down and again restarted it, but still it's showing to be
Okay,
not
ma'am, it's
connected.
okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, turn on your just a
Yeah,
minute.
ma'am. Just
Okay. Hi. Okay. So, okay, as I have joined from a different laptop, so I don't have that PPT with me. Okay, so I'm just trying to make you understand with my whiteboard. Okay, okay. Can you see the whiteboard?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, so
And
just
you can use any other PPT also. Any PPT if you have previous one. Okay,
uh,
so you can use that.
yeah, sir, because actually in this laptop I don't have my
Oh,
PPT.
in this laptop we don't have. Okay, no
Yeah,
problem. Okay.
yeah. Okay, so
Okay, no
just
issue. You can go ahead today. Okay,
yeah.
without
Okay, okay,
PPT.
okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, just for
And
today.
you
Yeah.
can do one thing. The video which I have shared you, you can use that video in sharing also. There is no problem. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. So actually, the settings all I also got confused because due to the situation. So everything got haphazardly. I think actually. Just a minute.
Hello, ma'am. You can see in the Zoom. I have sent the
Sir,
link in the Zoom. I have sent the link in the Zoom. Can you
in
see
the
that in the Zoom
okay,
chat? In the Zoom chat you
okay, in
have.
the chat. Okay, okay, okay,
Yes. So you will click it and the new video
yeah,
will come. So while teaching, you
okay,
can use that video. You can share the screen of your YouTube. Okay.
okay, okay,
Yes.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
okay, sir.
Continue both of you now. Bye.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yes, you can continue with Shaisha.
Yes, I touched with the in the link and it's just opening. I think.
No, it's okay. You can continue whatever you were teaching. You can continue here. Okay.
Okay, 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 okay. So, Saisa, firstly, I would like to tell the window from the sales application. Okay, okay, Saisa. So, let me tell you one thing first. That just what I was telling you that just think that you have 5 chocolates with you. Okay, and along with that, you have a sister. You told me, right?
Can you repeat?
What?
Can you repeat?
Your voice is not clear. Yeah, tell me again.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yeah, sure. Okay. So just think that you have 5 chocolates with you. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, now you have your sister, right? So think that your sister also have 5 chocolates with her. So both of you guys have 5 chocolates, and now do you have? Okay. So you have friends, right? And you have a best friend, I think.
Ma'am, I can't hear you clearly.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am. Can you repeat your question?
Yeah. Yeah, sure. I'm just telling you that. Do you have a best friend?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just think that your best friend won 7 chocolates for some need. Okay, so she is just asking you that, say, sir, can you please give me 7 chocolates? Now, how many chocolates do you have? You have 5 only,
Yeah, ma'am.
but you have to give her 7. So you can borrow 2 chocolates from your sister, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you are borrowing 2 chocolates from your sister, promising her that okay, I will give that back to you after going to the coming from the market. Okay. So now you have 7 chocolates with you, and you have given that 7 chocolates to your sister, to your best friend. Now at that moment, you know that you have to give 2 chocolates back to your sister, right? Because you have borrowed that too, right? And do you have any chocolate left with you after giving that 7 to your friend?
No, ma'am.
So you have 0 chocolates with you, right? And again, you have borrowed 2 chocolates from your sister. So when you are going to the market and just think that you have bought 4 chocolates from the market, from that 4, you have to give 2 to your sister, right? Because you had promised her. So how many chocolates will be left with you after giving 2
And
to your
3.
sister? You have bought 4 chocolates from the market. You are giving 2 chocolates back to your sister, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So after giving 2 to your sister, how many chocolates will be left with you?
Ma'am, 3.
How 3? You have bought 4, and you have bought 4.
Yeah, ma'am. 2. Sorry.
2, yeah, very good. So you have 2 chocolates left with you. So tell me, at that instant where when you hadn't given any just like hadn't bought any chocolates with you, at that moment you had 0 chocolates with you, right? Yeah, just a moment, just a moment. Yeah. So when you have 0 chocolates with you and you had already borrowed 2 chocolates from your sister, can you tell me at that moment how many chocolates do you have?
Ma'am, at that moment I had 0 chocolates and
0 chocolates, but till you had borrowed 2, right? So
yeah.
that 2 is going to be subtracted from your future chocolates, right?
Hmm.
So can we say that at that moment you have minus 2 chocolates?
Yeah.
Can we? Okay. So tell me, this minus 2, is this a natural number?
Ma'am, it's not enough.
Is this a whole number?
No, ma'am.
No. So what number is this? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, this is a negative number.
Negative number. Yeah. So now we are going to learn about integers. So what are integers? Like any negative number, we can put that in the section of uh, in whole numbers or natural numbers, right? Yeah. So integers are the set of the numbers which include 0. Along with that, all the positive numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, dot, dot. And along with that, all the negative numbers like -1, -2, -3, dot, dot, dot. So tell me, what is -2? It is an,
Negative number.
and the new thing what you have learned, that it is also considered under the set of integers,
Yeah.
because integers contain 0, and along with that all the positive numbers, all the positive whole numbers, along with that they are negative ones, right? Have you understood what we used to say that it is an integer? Can you?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now tell me. So, uh, let us check any number like 12. Is it a whole number?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it a natural number?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it an integer?
No, ma'am.
Why no?
It is an integer.
It is an integer because integer contains all the numbers, that is the whole number, that is all the whole numbers, along with that the negative of the whole numbers, right? Okay, one more thing, tell me 0. It is also a whole number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So is there any minus 0?
No, ma'am.
Do you know why?
No, ma'am.
Because 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, 0 is neither positive nor negative. And do you know why we can say that 0 is neither negative nor positive? Because if we are adding 2 with 0, the answer will be
It's 2.
2. Very good. And if we are subtracting 0 from 2, the answer will be again
2.
2. So it is not actually giving any effect to the number, right? So that's why we say that 0 is neither negative nor positive. Okay, very good.
Yes.
Now tell me like 12. Let us check another number like minus 242. Okay, tell me, is it a natural number?
No, ma'am.
No. Is it a whole number? No. Is it an integer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. So have you understood what are the integers?
Yes, ma'am.
Integer are all the whole numbers along with the negatives, along with the negative whole numbers, right? Actually, along with the negative natural numbers, because 0 is also a whole number and it is neither negative nor positive. Okay. Now, let me tell you something new like, do you know number line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, if we draw a line in between, is it a number? Can we plot a number line in this through this line?
Yeah, ma'am. So we like first and there will be 0. If we're doing the negative and positive, in the middle there will be 0.
Yeah.
And then we'll do all the. I know number line because
Yeah.
it's taught.
Okay, that's great. That's great. But one thing you have to remind here, baby, that we can represent this one as a number line. Do you know why? Because this is a line segment. It has ends at both the ends, right? And to define a number line, we know that the set of the numbers, they are uncountable. They don't have, we can't say that it stops here or it starts from here.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
we,
Like choose a landmark where we can like stop and take it as then the middle there will be 0 and then this end there will be 100. Take it as 10 and then this end will be minus 10.
okay, for that, we have to use, actually, we have to use the this sign of the line, not the line segment, with both arrows in the both sides, so that it will denote that the line is never ending. In both the ends, the line will goes on. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so just think that in the middle, we are taking in the middle, it is 0 here. Now here it will be 1, 2, like that, and here it will be the first one. It will be, tell me what it will be.
Will be minus 1.
-1. Very good. After that,
Minus 2, minus 3.
yeah, very good. It will goes on like that. So tell me, 1 is greater than 2 or less than 2?
Less.
Less. And 1 is greater than 0 or less than 0?
Greater.
Greater. Very good. And now it comes at -1. It is greater than 0 or less than 0?
Greater.
-1?
No, ma'am. It's like less.
It's less, because we know that minus means, if we take take the example from the practical life, then -1
Yes,
is
ma'am.
that we have borrowed one chocolate. Just think that we have borrowed one chocolate.
Yeah.
So it is we would not like to give that back, right? It will be better if we had borrowed nothing, and in future what we are getting all will be of us, right? So -1 is less than 0. Now tell me, -2, it is greater than -1 or less than -1?
It's less.
Less than -1. Very good. So just look that when we are moving from left to right, just a minute. Yeah. So when we are moving from left to right, the numbers are decreasing or increasing? Tell me.
And the numbers are increasing.
Increasing. Very good. And when we are moving from right to left, the numbers are
Decreasing.
decreasing. Very good. So this is a very important thing we have to remind, that when we are moving from left to right, the values of the numbers are increasing. And when we are moving from right to left, the values are decreasing. Right. Okay. Very good. Now tell me, so okay. So tell me, between -51. Oh, sorry. It is the arrow here. Yeah. So between -51 and let us check -30. Which one will be greater? Tell me.
Can you repeat?
Between -51 and -30, which one will be greater?
Minus 30.
Very good. -30 will be greater. And between 0 and let us check -21. Which one will be greater?
0.
Tell me which one?
0.
Very good. 0 will be greater. Okay, very good. So you know, okay, so the things which we have learned till now, are that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now let us say something, let us check something new, like if there's a question, okay, I have it right, I think. Okay, just think that the question is like that. You have to find out 2 more than -1 using the number line. Do you know how to find those out? 2 more than -1.
Yeah,
Using. Okay, so tell me, how can you do that?
ma'am, like you draw a number line.
Okay, let me, I am drawing a number line. Then
When you mark a 0.
okay, let me mark a 0 here. And after that,
And then after that, we put -1, -2, and numbers till 5 or 10.
-1, -2. And then tell me.
And then we like go until 5 because we could choose a landmark. That would be better.
Yeah, very good. Okay. Now tell me, you have to find out 2 less than -1.
Yeah, ma'am. So like actually, when we're going backward, we should have numbers on the top. And like
Okay.
go from down. So like we've done it the other way, but like it's fine. So we from 1 we take like till 2. We could do a like 2 number jump also, but like
Yeah.
we can do, if you want a single one, you can do 2 jumps. And then
Okay. 2 jumps. In which direction? Towards the left or towards the
ma'am,
right?
towards the left. This
Very good. And do you know why towards the left?
ma'am, because from -1 we need to find like the other after two integers. So like
Yeah, because we know that when we are moving from right to left, the numbers are decreasing, and we have to the question is 2 less than -1. So when we are going to find out 2 less than -1, it is we are moving from right to left, right? Very good, very good, Shesha. It's impressing. Okay. Now, as I've taken the links in my laptop, and here I don't have the links actually. So we will do that later in our classes, regular classes. So let me today just tell you the things like if it is given that the temperature of a place was 0 degree previously, and now it falls again up to 30 degrees. So what is the current temperature of that place? It was 0 degree.
the statement somewhere.
Yeah, the temperature of a place was 0 degree centigrade, 0 degree, that is 0 degree centigrade previously. After that, in the night, the temperature again falls up to 30 degree, falls up to 30 degrees. So what is the current temperature of that place after the 30-degree fall? Tell me what it will
It
be.
would be -30.
-30.
Ma'am, falls or like it goes-
Falls. Yeah, falls. The temperature is falling.
so then the temperature falls.
Yeah.
Then
Do you know the meaning of the word fall?
yeah, ma'am, it decreases.
Decreases. It was 0 degree previously. It falls for up to 30. So what it will be when it is falling? So it is decreasing, right?
Yeah.
So it will be surely 0 -30.
Yeah.
So 0 -30, the answer would be come out to be -30. So we have to put the units here. So -30 degree centigrade. Is it? Yeah, very good, very good. Now, just think that you have to find out the opposite statement of this statement. The statement was the temperature is falling up to 30 degrees. So what will be the opposite statement? Can you tell me? Okay, firstly, tell me what will be the opposite of this one.
Ma'am, so the opposite statement would be the temperature is increasing or like falling's opposite.
Yeah,
Going up, it's increasing
increasing for up to
up to 30.
30. So very good. So if the statements would be like that, that it's increasing up to 30 degree, then what will be the temperature of that place?
Ma'am, will be 30.
It will be +30, right? Right? Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so you are known to all these facts now. Okay, so okay, before starting anything, tell me, Sesa, is it looking to be interesting for you? Are you finding some interest in it? Are you loving the class? Okay, you can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, yeah, yes.
Okay, okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. So now tell me, let us check another question like you have to add two integers. Okay. When you are adding 1 with 2, what will be the answer? What will be the answer? 1 plus 2?
Um,
3. Very good. Now just put two negative signs before each of the integers. -1 plus -2. Can you tell me what will be the answer?
Ma'am, so minus minus is plus. So then the answer would be -3.
Very good. -3. Now tell me, it is 30 plus -12. What will be the answer?
the answer would be 18, minus 18.
Minus 18? Okay, just think. You have 30 chocolates. Minus 12 means we can think.
I got it wrong.
So what will be the answer? Tell me.
Ma'am, it would be plus 18.
Plus 18. Very good. It would be plus 18, right? Okay. Now, so let us move with a bit more, like if it is given that like 30 plus minus 8 plus minus 6. Now tell me what will be how to move. How can we move?
Ma'am, so 30 minus 8. We can solve that first.
Okay.
Like, yeah.
So
we have,
it will comes out to be.
ma'am, just a minute. So like if we see the minus 6 part
Okay.
and go like minus 8 plus minus 6,
Yeah.
then I think the plus and minus is equal to minus.
That means
Plus
plus,
minus is minus. So we
yeah,
do-
minus. So
yeah. So the answer will be 2, minus 2, I think.
okay, look. So you're telling that this plus and minus, it becomes minus, right? So it is minus 6 and 8. It is plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus. So it is minus 8 minus 6, right? So,
Yes, ma'am.
so that means you have already taken 8 chocolates from your sister on the previous day.
Yes.
And today you had also taken 6 chocolates from your sister. Now you have to give them all back. So if you are giving her 2 chocolates back, will she be happy?
Yeah.
You have taken 8 on the previous day, promising her to give that back, and 6 on today's morning.
But then
Again,
when I give her 2 back, then
she will tell you that no, Didi, you are breaking your promise, right? So how many chocolates do you have to give her back?
Mom, I need to give her 6.
You have to give
Then I took 8 chocolates from her.
on the previous day and 6
Yeah.
on today's morning. So you
Yeah.
have to give
So I'll need to give her 14.
14 chocolate. Very good. So here also 8 and 6 both are negative numbers, right?
Yes.
But 30 is a positive number. So firstly we can deal with the negative ones, like we know that there minus 8 means already there is we have a depth of 8. Again minus 6 is adding with it, like that means we are again getting a depth of 6. That means we had already borrowed 8 from 30 previously. Now again we are borrowing 6. So finally we have borrowed 14, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be 30 plus, tell me, plus
30 plus
30 plus
14.
14. Okay. So if it is plus 14, then it we have borrowed 14 chocolates from our sister. So it for us, will it be positive or negative to give her back?
It will be negative.
Negative. So 30 plus, tell me, it will be positive or negative? Minus 8 minus 6?
Ma'am, it will be minus.
Minus. That means 30 plus minus 14. Right. Now can you tell me the answer? What will be the answer?
I think 16.
Very good. The answer will be 16. Right. So have you understood how to do this? Okay, now I'm giving you one more question. Just try to solve it yourself. 20 plus minus 3 plus 2. Just try to solve it yourself and tell me what will be the answer.
Ma'am, will the answer be 19?
Very good. The answer will be 19 because 20 and 2 both are positive numbers, right?
Yeah, ma'am. So
So,
first what I did is I
yeah,
did plus minus the three place. I did plus minus, which is minus, then
yeah,
20 minus 3, which is 17, and then
yeah.
17 plus 2, which is 19. So the
Okay, that's great. But till I am going to tell you one more process like in this type of problems, na, Shesa, where the negatives and the positive numbers are where they're all given intermixed, then what we can do firstly to make it easy is we have to just take the positive ones in together and the negative ones together. Like here, we have two positive, that is 20 and 2, right? So we can take them together first, like 20, and we are bringing plus 2 towards 20 and the minus at the last change. And if it is given that, okay, let us take it first. Then what we have to do firstly, that we have to add the positive ones and the negative ones together. Like here, there are two positives and adding them, we get 22. And there is only one negative one, so we can just simply write it. Now we know that positive and negative, that is plus minus, it becomes minus. So it comes out to be 22 minus 3, right?
yes,
So is the technique easy?
yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so I am just giving you one more to do. Just try your on your own. Like 14 plus minus 6 plus 18 plus minus 4. Now tell me what how can you do it? Tell me, I have told you what is the first step.
Ma'am, so the first step would be 14 plus 18.
Okay. It would be 14 plus
Yeah, so
18.
the first step would be 14 plus 18.
And with that, we have to write all the numbers. So after that, 14 plus 18, what we have to write?
Ma'am, after 14 plus 18, we will write minus 6 plus minus 4.
Like, okay, very good. So we are writing plus minus 6 plus minus 4. Now what is the next step? Tell me.
Ma'am, so
So don't get confused, baby. I'm here to help you. Tell me.
ma'am, just a minute.
Tell me. Hello? Hello?
Ma'am, just a minute.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me what will be the next step?
Ma'am, so the next step would be plus minus is minus.
Okay. Tell me.
So we would do 32 minus 6.
32 minus
6.
minus 6. And what about minus 4?
Ma'am, we could do the other step.
Okay, let me tell you here. Here, as you have add these two in this shape, we also have to deal with these two also. So tell me, this is minus 6
Ma'am,
and
so I think we'll do -6, like 6 minus 4. It'll
6
be,
minus 4. Again, okay, let me tell you. 6 minus 4. 6, it is a positive number or a negative number?
ma'am, 6 is a positive.
Here it is given minus 6,
Yeah,
right?
ma'am. So this
So
is
it is this is negative. Very good. And for what about minus 4? It is positive or negative?
-4 is also negative.
So this is also negative. This is also negative. So what will be when we are adding both negatives? Like again, like the previous one, you have borrowed 6 chocolates from your sister on the previous day and 4 on this morning. So when we are adding to negative numbers, what will be the answer? -6 minus 4. You have borrowed 6 chocolates yesterday, 4 chocolates today. So you have
10.
10. So the answer will be -6 minus 4. So you have borrowed both these. So what is the current balance of your chocolate bag?
Ma'am, the current balance would be 10.
10, but is it 10? You have borrowed
Oh,
this
ma'am,
6.
it's -10.
Yeah, because
Because like the
all
digits
the
are in
10
minus and like,
because all the 10 chocolates you have in your chocolate bank, all there of your sisters, not of yours, right? So you can tell that yes, it is plus 10 chocolate. I have 10 chocolates. You don't have. You have borrowed them, so you have to return them back. So it will be -10, right? So here we are operating like that. We are adding these two, and we are also adding these two. So it is becoming -10. Now tell me what will be the answer.
ma'am, so the answer would be 20.
Very good. 22. Great, great, great. So have you understood how to do this works? Okay, so after today's class, I'm going to provide you with a worksheet. Okay, and what you have to do is you will get the worksheet in your mail, and you have to do all that maths on your copy with whole calculations. If you are getting any problem with those, you can wait till the next class. And you will tell me that yes ma'am, I'm getting my problems in
Okay.
these problems. I will make them resolve to you, and those which you can solve, you just solve those in your copy, and click the pictures of the pages and make a PDF. Do you know how to form a PDF with that? Okay, then make a PDF of it, and then send it back to the mail ID through which you will get the question and the worksheet. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And one more thing, that today you got actually I got many problems because I had also prepared some PPT for you. In the next classes you will get to see some like some images, some more questions and everything like that. But due to the technical problem, I'm also not in the right place, because you can see it's not my right place, and due to the technical issues I have to like deal with this today. But it will be not in the next day. In the next day
Okay, ma'am.
we will be in a proper class with all the presentations, with all the questions, with everything. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so see you soon, and
Yeah,
we will.
Shaisha, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Shaisha. So Shaisha, there was today technical issue. That's why the BAM was not able to show you the actual things. Okay, but she has a good experience in teaching. Okay, even nowadays I would like to show you something actually that I do not have with me for the integers topic. Okay, but give me a second. I would like to show you something here.
Okay, so I'm just click on
No,
stop.
no, just wait.
Yeah. No, I've just stopped my sharing. Okay.
Okay,
Got it.
okay. So, yeah. So, Shaisha, I just want to show you something here. Can you see something?
Yeah, sir.
Right. So you can see in this one, okay, audio is also there, but audio, I will pause the audio. Okay. So yes, so you can see with the animation also, now you can learn with us. Okay. So here is the animation. Right now I'm moving it very fast because I do not have time. But you can see here, it's an animated one. Okay. There will be the animation, it will be moved, right? And
Yes.
now onwards, we are going to create our platform also. There you can get more and more video and the teacher will explain you. Okay, in this way you can see how the fraction, so how what the fraction mean, right? So 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, what does it mean? Okay, okay, it is paused, just a second. I will just share the audio also. Give me a second.
Audio is crossed from below. So we like.
No, audio, yes, I will just,
than the fraction having the smaller numerator.
can you
In
see?
case of the unlike fractions
Yes,
having
sir.
the same
You can see
numerator,
how it is
the
showing.
fraction with the greater
Right.
denominator
So
is
the audio I
smaller
have muted
than the
because
fraction with the
the
smaller
teacher,
denominator.
our teacher will explain each and everything. In the video, there is a voice.
Method
That
1.
is different thing,
There are
right?
two methods to come
Okay.
upon
Now, if I will
to
show you
four
something
fractions.
more.
Similarly, on when
Okay, so there is
result
animation like this.
4.
Right.
Compare
Okay, initially,
signals.
okay, I will show you another video, more videos I have. Okay, so you can see area one.
Introduction. Rita's garden is bigger than Sita's garden. Have you ever wondered what the basis of this comparison? The comparison is based on the area of a garden, that is, the amount of space of the garden.
Okay, so actually,
In this
what is,
lesson,
I
we
will
will
just
learn
let you know. In this video, only by video you will not understand. You need one teacher also who will explain how it is, how it goes. Right? We are not giving you just video. So the video is helping you to understand what it is, how it will. Okay. So you can see
about area in detail.
later also.
Calculating
Yes. Can you see
are
here?
different.
So
Yes.
with this
This is
example,
because
here it
of
is
composite figure.
sorry, here it was an example of the wall painting, right? So how the wall painting area will be different, right? If I will
The
play
amount
here,
of
it
space
can show
covered
you.
by the two paintings will be different. This is
Can see
because
here.
the lengths and breadths of the two paintings are different.
Okay, so you
Each
can
of
see
these
how the
squares
triangles
as
are forming. Okay,
part counting
can you see that
along.
everything?
It
Right.
means
So why I have shown you, so we have added this also. Because in your sister's son, this was not added earlier, right? But for you, this kind of things are added. Okay, just now you have learned, give me a second. I think you have learned it, this one. Give me a second. Because the ma'am has not used that one. I just want to show you because there was a problem in her system. So she has logged in with another system. That's the problem. Okay, so give me a second. I will just show you. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it is for the integer what you have done. So you can see all examples, everything is given in this, right? So with the help of these applications, with the help of these technologies, you can see your integer, how the integer
Yes,
goes in the plus, how the integer goes in the minus, right? Everything, it is the ground floor. So upper floor will be positive, lower floor you can see parking and warehouse will be the negative integers. Can you see that? Right. So this way you will learn with the ma'am, and ma'am is very good in teaching all these things. Okay. So because it's what happened actually, she has already planned the PPT and all these videos, but her system has the issue. Okay, that's why she was not able to show with you. Right. That's why I'm showing because I have all the things with me. Okay, so you can see how 0, 1, 2, 3, and here in the left hand side it is minus, right? Which will be the positive number, which will be the negative number. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so everything, your every doubt will be clear with the help of the normal teaching, with the help of the videos, You will get the worksheet, you will get the assignments, and yes, there will be test also, because whatever we are giving you, in the last you have to give the test. Without test, we cannot move. You can ask with your sister Sana. Now the test is going on with her, right? So test is very, very compulsory. Got it? Is it fine? And yes, so why I came here only due to the MAM system. So in system, nobody has any in his hand. Okay. So suddenly when she was teaching you, there was a problem. Okay. So just ignore that and learn what she has taught. So how she has taught?
So integer.
Huh?
Integers.
Integer. So no, I asked how she has taught. Do you like her teaching?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay. So yes, so whatever she has taught, I added. So from the next class, when you will join the ma'am class, ma'am will use all these things and she will use this kind of things to teach you. Okay. So your thinking level and your analytical level both will increase. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, fine. Any question, any doubt you want to ask? No? Okay, great. Okay. So don't worry. So technical issues happens, but it happens once. It doesn't happen from
Yes.
more than once. Okay, don't worry. And I'm sitting here, you know me from the long time, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you have seen there is no, some days I have also faced technical issues, right? But not all days, right? So it was your first class demo and it happened. So I really apologize for it, but it will not happen again. Okay.
Yeah,
Fine.
surely.
That's
Surely
right.
it will never happen again. And in our next classes, both of us are going to have a great fun with all these videos, with the visualizations, and with our regular fun teaching, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, very good.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Yeah, thank you for joining. Thank you for attending the class, and take care. Bye bye.
Thank
Okay,
you.
I will. I'll
Thank-
be sure. You will get your worksheets very soon. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.